Meaning of food science.
Food science.
Food science.
Food science.
Food science. Food science is a field of study that applies the principles of chemistry, microbiology, and engineering to understand the physical, chemical, and biological nature of food. It involves the study of food components, their interaction, and their behavior under various conditions. The ultimate goal is to develop safe, healthy, and appealing food products and processes. Food scientists work on improving food quality, safety, sustainability, and nutrition. They also investigate new ingredients, develop new food products, and assess the sensory properties of foods. Overall, food science plays an essential role in ensuring a stable and reliable food supply for our growing population.